I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the running Genesis version and ensuring at least 2 GB free disk space. This prevents mid-update failure. Next, you back up config and blockchain data so you can restore quickly if needed. Once backed up, download the official update package and verify its digital signature. This guarantees integrity and prevents tampering. While you download, prepare the node for maintenance mode, so peers disconnect gracefully and logs remain intact for post-update verification. You stop the Genesis service cleanly and confirm no active writes to avoid data corruption. Then, you run the installer or extract the new binaries, set execute permissions, and replace old executables atomically to avoid half-updated state. Once binaries are in place, execute database migrations and update config parameters to match new defaults. These steps upgrade internal schemas and keep network compatibility. Finally, restart the service under the new version and stream logs to watch for immediate errors. You verify node sync and consensus status by checking blocks, peers, and health endpoints to ensure normal operation. Then, restore any custom configs that the installer overwrote and validate performance against baseline metrics so you catch regressions early. If you encounter persistent errors, consult the service logs and error traces. If unresolved, perform a rollback to your backup within the safe recovery window and report the issue with logs attached. One key tip: always keep the verified backup accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.